We're looking at a mid-19th century folding pocket map of Manhattan, Brooklyn, and surrounding city areas. It's lithographed on a thin bond paper with full original hand color. The latest date that I see on the publisher's list of available maps is 1854, but it would seem though this map is perhaps dated from the 60s or possibly 70s. The paper is a little bit fragile and has numerous splits along the fold lines, which on the back have been mended. So the map has to be handled very carefully. Some of the splits are still there, but the map is still structurally sound and folds like so into the folder. And it's currently available on my website, briandimambro.com.